This is touch activated musical player project. In this I have used one buzzer, LED and metal touch sensor module with Arduino Uno board. It has got 4 pins. VCC of metal sensor is connected to 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board, and ground of metal touch sensor is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno board, and digital pin D out pin, green wire, it is connected to pin number 2 of Arduino Uno board, and anode of LED is connected to pin number 4 of Arduino Uno board, and positive terminal of the buzzer, it is connected to pin number 3 of Arduino Uno board. Only this much is the connection. Cathode and negative terminal of the buzzer, it is connected to ground of the Arduino Uno board. So this is metal touch sensor. When the human finger or anybody touch the metal surface of this module, it gives the melody music. Once again. So this you can use it as use as a doorbell in your home. Today I'll show you an experiment using a metal touch sensor. So this is the image of a metal sensor. It has got 5 pins, digital output pin, VCC pin, ground pin, and analog output pin. So among this, I am using digital output pin, VCC and ground. I am not using analog output pin. This is the connection diagram. Digital output pin is connected to pin number 2 of Arduino Uno board, and VCC is connected to 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board, and ground of metal touch sensor, it is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno board, and buzzer negative terminal is connected to ground, and positive terminal is connected to pin number 3 of Arduino Uno board. LED anode is connected to pin number 4 of Arduino Uno board, and cathode is connected to ground. So this is about the connection. Here I have used pin number 2, 3 and 4. Pin number 2 for touch pin, metal touch pin, and pin number 3 for buzzer pin, and pin number 4 for LED pin. You declare it using constant, and I'm using some melody notes here from C4 to C5. That is 262, 294, 330, 349, 392, 440, 494, 523. What does it indicates? It indicates the frequency. The melody, this array contains some frequency values. These frequency represents the musical tones in musical notes in terms of hertz, and each frequency is corresponding to one musical note. That is, middle C note is 262 hertz, D note is 294 hertz. In this way, C5, one octave C4 is 523 hertz. The first line plays the notes C4 to C5 in ascending, and the second line from C5 to C4 in a descending order. So I have taken 2 lines here. This is ascending order C4 to C5, and this is descending order C5 to C4. And this 4 note duration, each note plays for 1 bit. So each note, that is 262 hertz for 1 bit and 294 for 1 bit, like that. And so one beat, for that I am taking the duration 4444, because they are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in descending order, 494, 440, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way I have taken. And touch sensor, I'm making it as input pin using pin mode. Buzzer and LED are output pin using pin mode. So only this much is the code you need to change. If you want to change the pins here, you can change the pins, otherwise you keep as it is. So whenever this is, since I'm using digital pin, I'll read the touch metal sensor value using digital read, and I'll store it in touch detected. If touch detected is high, then LED becomes high, and this nodes goes from ascending end as well as from descending. So this much is the code. So after, if you don't touch anything, LED will be in off condition and buzzer is also in off condition. So you copy the entire code and paste it in Arduino IDE software. Now I'll paste it in Arduino IDE software. So after copying the entire code in Arduino IDE software, choose the uh, port, COM3 port, and board as Arduino Uno board. In Arduino AVR board, you choose the Arduino Uno board and hit the upload button. Here, first it will compile. Compiling is done. After that, it gets uploaded. Uploading is also done. Now, when I touch the sensor, it starts giving the melody sound. That is music.